Today is a day we all are waiting, 26, guys, you know. It's a day that the federal government promised that Nnamdi Kanu will come to the court for his trials, and the people are there, you know, saying that releasing Nnamdi Kanu, release him now, you know. People really love him, actually, you know. They really love him. So, guys, we are just waiting, and we want to know what will happen. You know, we pray everything work out well, guys, you know. There are people there saying that they should release Nnamdi Kanu, and it's like they did not allow the journalists, you know, to go in, you know. So some people are around, you know, protesting, and they're saying that they should release Nnamdi Kanu, release him now. Okay, guys, there's this video I want you to watch, how you will see how people are just saying release him now, release him now. Then we will continue. Let's know what will happen. Let's know the next step, you know. IPOB. Wow, amazing, amazing. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, guys, you know. You know, one is, you know, doing what people love, and another one is doing what people don't love, you see. For me, asking for referendum, it's something that that is right to do. So I don't see like maybe, it's not a good agitating. It's a good step, actually, you know. So people are there, you know, saying releasing Nnamdi Kanu, release him now. Okay, guys, I don't want it to be like I'm the only one watching. So I want you to watch this video, then I will continue. Guys, watch it. A lot is going on, you know. For the video I watched so far, you know, they've been attacking them, they're attacking them, telling them that they will not come close, you know. Even the journalists, they did not allow them, you know, to go close to where Nnamdi is, you know. According to them, they said they don't have anything with them. They try to go close, so they didn't allow them, you know. Let's continue to watch. You know, these are the supporters that came, you know, singing releasing Nnamdi Kanu, release him now. So we don't know what will happen. We don't know the next step. So we keep our eyes open, you know. We are watching, you know. Good one, kudos to them, you know. Yeah, that's nice, you know, because I could remember, you know, the supporters of Sunday Igboho, you know, they came to the court in Cotonou, and they were like, you know, I was very happy seeing people, you know, that came out, you know. How will you know people that love you? It's not when you are enjoying. That's one thing that we should know. Not when you, this is a time, the right time to know if really this IPOB, Biafra of 18, you know, that Nnamdi Kanu is always talking. This is the time to know, you know, the mind of the people, to know the people who are really supporting him, you know, the people who are really standing for the freedom we are talking about. You know, it's not when everything is fine that you will know the people that love you. So that is why. And I said, okay, let me bring it, you know, to my platform. Let it not be like maybe I'm the only one, you know, who is watching it. So I want you to watch it as well. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the whole thing, you know. You see people saying releasing Nnamdi Kanu, release him now. So we don't know the way forward, because there is a man that was just saying that if they don't want them, you know, to stay here, that they should release Nnamdi Kanu, that they came here because of Nnamdi Kanu. So if they don't want them to stay here, that they should free Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, guys, let me allow you to listen to the man, because they were asking him. He said that they said that they don't want them to stay here, but they are not going, that they will stay here, and if they don't want them to go, that they should release Nnamdi Kanu so that they will go with it. Kudos to them. That nice one, guys. Okay, let's keep watching.
Police want us to go. Let the release Nnamdi Kanu. We are here for Nnamdi Kanu. We are not here for the police. It's our right to come and see what is happening in the Federal High Court. If they don't want us to be here, let them ask us to leave and release Nnamdi Kanu with us. We are going with him. We are not here to kidnap our leader. You want my father and asking us to leave. We are not come to Nigeria. I don't want to come and arrest us and persecute all of us. We are here for Nnamdi Kanu and we must stay here until everything is over. We are not going anywhere.
Kudos to them, guys. Yeah, I want you to watch for yourself so that let you not be like I'm just doing the talking alone. You know, they said if police want them to go, they should release Nnamdi Kanu, that they cannot go. They said they will stay here, you know, they want to watch everything, that they should release Nnamdi Kanu, that they are the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu, so they cannot go. You know, police is telling them to go. They say, no, we are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere, you know, that we want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Kudos, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you think that what they're doing is the right thing, you know. Let me know, guys, you know. Good ones, kudos to them, guys. Let's keep watching now. You know, we'll continue to update you of what is going on, guys. At least we are on the right side. Let's see what will happen, you know. We believe that at the end of the day, everything is going to be fine. That's just our zeal. That's just our mind. So let's just continue to watch, you know, guys. I'll be updating you. Let's go. Guys, what do you think, you know? For me, you know, government, federal government, they should just release Nnamdi Kanu, you know. There are people that, you know, that is saying that they are not afraid of death, that they are ready to die, you know. Guys, what happened is that people are tired. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing. And, you know, the worst of it is this, that we don't know the way forward. Even the election that are talking about 2023, you know, the way they're arguing on it, we don't really know. It's only God that will save Nigeria. It's only God. You know, in case you might be wondering, asking, or, you know, you were like, what am I talking? I'm talking about what is going on in Nigeria. I'm talking about, you know, a freedom fighter. His name is Nnamdi Kanu, you know. It's not only him. You know, we have people like Sunday Igboho, you know. So, they are not in the custody of government, you know, DSS precisely. So, today, Nnamdi Kanu, you know, appear, you know, to the court. So, we don't know the way forward. So, that is what we are just agitating, and we are just watching and see what will happen. So the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu, they came to know, to witness and to know, you know, and to support them and to give their support to their leaders, Nnamdi Kanu. So that is why they are not in the court. They are waiting for the next step, even though they didn't allow them to, you know, to come in. They didn't allow them. So they're outside. You know, you see people, you know, saying, releasing Nnamdi Kanu. People are there. Some are singing. Some are saying they will not go. Some are saying until they release their leader. So we don't know the next step, the next thing that will happen. But we believe God, you know, that all is going to be fine. I believe, that God is going to do something. Federal government, they should release Nnamdi Kanu. For me, if you ask me, I would say they should free him. They should just free him. If they can just be a dialogue, you know, why are you doing this? Why? What is your mind? Why are you, you know? Because come to think of it, if you watch everything, the scenario or what is going on, you will know that these people, they are not like maybe trying to destroy the indigenous or destroy the masses or destroy the country the way the government, you know, are thinking. They are just looking for freedom. Okay, take someone like Sunday Igboho, you know, why he just, there are people that don't really, I don't know, I'm going to put it. Why you see this man Sunday Igboho, you know, involve himself, not because he really love what he's doing, but seeing your mothers in the farm, they've been raped, their farm, whatever has been destroyed. People can no longer go to their farm, you know, to farm or to do something. You know, there are people that don't take such, you know. For you were like, oh, how can I, you know, there are people that have soft mind. So this same thing like Nnamdi Kanu, you know, look at him and his family. He came in a rich background. He's not hungry. He came in a very comfortable family. The way I look at him, I look everything, he's called to do this job. Because I cannot do it. You cannot do it. If he's not called, he would have given up for long. But because he's called. So that is why I kept telling people, all he needs is our prayers. We should continue to pray for him, that God should touch the heart of the government, you know. That's just what we need. And the people surrounded him, that God should make a way, because there's nothing God cannot do. The heart of the king is controlled by God. You see, God can touch the heart of the government to favor him. It's possible. It's possible. I know the power of God and what God can do. So let's just continue, continue to move and see how everything is going to be. Now let's just know. For now, we don't really know the next thing that will happen. Let's keep watching. I just want to explain things to people who don't really know, who will not get what I'm talking, So I'm just talking about a freedom fighter in Nigeria. In case you are not from Nigeria, a freedom fighter, his name is Nnamdi Kanu, and we have the other one is Sunday Igboho, but what we are agitating, what we are talking now is Nnamdi Kanu. So you can see his supporters around saying that they are not afraid of death. They are tired. Guys, you see, there came in a point whereby people don't see food to eat. Everything is costly in Nigeria. Insecurity, bandits are just doing Fulani Esme. A lot are going on. So people, they are tired. They are tired. Then in their mind, they were like, this marriage that is not working, is it not better for us to separate? Is it not better? So that is how I see everything. That's my own summarize, I don't know, what do you think, You can drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, guys, I want you to still watch this video, watch this video, then I will summarize. See them roaming about, singing and saying they're tired or they can die at any time. Okay, guys, watch the video. Let's continue.
We then ask for their own rights in the house of the EU. So we are calling Archbishop of Canterbury. We want him to come out here and address us. We need to ask him questions. That is why we are here today. I can't wait and watch my people being killed. Yes, Archbishop of Canterbury is sponsoring terrorists. He is sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. Archbishop of Canterbury, you should be ashamed of yourself. You are sponsoring terrorists, Muhammadu Buhari. There is a blood in your hand. And today being a Sunday, you are giving people Holy Communion. You are a disgrace. Go to their promised land. Let my people go. Karma is calling them. Allow them go to their promised land. Breathe and let my people go. Breathe and let my people go. Chukokabia is calling them. Allow them go to their promised land. Breathe and let my people go.
Okay, guys, you are watch for yourself, They say they're no longer afraid of death. They're tired. they want to go. May God help them, Jerry. So, guys, they said they are no longer afraid of death, that they should free Nnamdi Kanu, is their leader, that they want to go, that they are Biafra, they're no longer Nigeria, there's nothing anymore Nigeria, that they want to go. So that's what they're singing and saying, that they should free them. So, guys, another person I respected again, going to the next, topic of my broadcast today. Yeah, the next person I respected so much is Shuore. Shuore is someone that has been fighting and fighting. In fact, I'm just praying that God should just grant his request. This guy has been fighting. You see, that's what I said. I said that people that, God really called for this, that people we call follow. Then they're called, we have original, we have imitation. So if we have called to fight, you will not get tired. But in the eyes of people will be looking, or people will see like, this man don't want to rest. Why is he fighting? Or, but you will not understand. If you are called to do something, just like Moses, until you finish the assignment. If you don't finish the assignment, you'll be restless. Really, you were like, at times you want to give up. At times you don't want to. But because you are called to do it, you cannot. You want to push forward. So, you see, talking about Shuore is there, is there live, So last time I remember, even the day that they brought him in the court, Shuore came. He said he's here. Why he's here? He wants to make sure that that they will do the right thing. So that is why he's here. And look at him now. He came again upon all what he went through. He was locked. It's not like maybe it's just he was locked. They shot him the other time. A lot, has happened to him. But you see him pushing not to give up. He never like maybe saying that he wanna give up. So I don't really know what is going on. If I were federal government, I would just, come. I would try to, a kind of dialogue with these people who are fighting, who are not giving up, and they should know that they're not doing it intentionally, or they're not doing it, for bad. That there are people that God called them to do this work. Our prayer is just that God will continue to protect them. Because it's not everybody that is called to do this. There are people behind that will be saying, Nnamdi Kanu, I love you, Sowore, I love you, But when they come in the front, you see them, or they will just be doing eye service. That people, they don't support you genuinely. But you see, like maybe they, coming to front, they will be dancing, hey, Sowore, or Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, they'll be doing like, even they will hold the flag, they will be in the front. But my dear, forget, that's life. But looking at them inside, you will know that they are not really supporting them. It's just eye service. So this guy, kudos to him. I pray that God will continue to protect them. All the people who are coming out talking to the masses who cannot talk, the voiceless people who cannot talk, the masses who are afraid if they come out to say something, they will lock them up, beat them up, so they cannot come out. So people whom God has called. Last time Sowore was in the church, when something happened like that, I might not really go through the detail, he came there to know if really is this true. They talk about people who put on, something that they wrote there that Buhari must go, something like that. So they were like the pastors, it was like a rumor actually. We don't really know what trespass, but all I know is that Sowore went there to, to clear the air, and he came out with something which is fine. He's this guy that has been always he with this guy that called you. Okay, look at them guys. Don't worry, I will show you the video. You see them in case you might be wondering, asking who is Sowore. It's not only him, Sowore and Jide. I don't know. So they are called to do this job. I pray that their dream will come true. May God continue to protect them. That is just what that is just what I'm talking about. That God will continue to protect them, and they will achieve their goal. That's the most important thing. And I pray that one day the government will try to, a dialogue with them, try to do peace talk, try to bring everybody in order, try to do the right thing. That's just my prayer. If government can really call them to know why are they doing this. Why are they doing this? Because you see them, they don't have anything, they're armless. They're armless. You can't see them. They don't have anything that you can see. These people who are coming out, they have bad intention. People who are just saying, we need referendum, we need revolution, we need freedom. We want to go. You try to listen to them as a president. Try to listen to them. What are they? For me, I know that as a president, as a head of the nation, you have the power to, to bring things in order. Not the way they are handling it, not the way they are going about it. Guys, let me know in the comment section, and let me show you a video. Who is Sowore? You might be asking. Journalists, they try to ask, they like to interview him. He's a freedom fighter as well. Even though his own agenda is not about suppression, his own is a referendum, revolution. So, and he's talking about Buhari must go, we need good government, something like that. Okay, guys, I've already taken your time. I want you to watch. This is watch and know who is Sowore, in case you don't know who is Sowore, and what he's talking with the people that interview him, trying to know his mind about the whole thing. Don't forget, we are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Today is Nnamdi Kanu trials. Is in the custody of DSS, and now today is in the court. Let's know what will be the next step, what will be the way forward, the next thing to do. Okay, guys, watch the video. This is Sowore talking, This is the guy that they call Sowore. They are interviewing him. This guy has been fighting for freedom, fighting for revolution, fighting, for the peace of Nigeria, for the better and peace of Nigeria. We pray that God will answer him. These are journalists, asking him so many questions, trying to know his mind concerning this issue. This guy said, I don't know whether I should call him a hero. He's fighting like Mandela. I know you know the person that called Mandela, Nelson Mandela, former president of South Africa. He has been in jail. He came out, A lot has happened to him. Yet, he refused to give up. He's still pushing. We pray that God will really answer them. Thank God, his name is Shuore, just like I said. His name is Shuore. He was once a candidate of us. So you can see the vehicle, you can see what is going on. People are waiting. They want to know the next thing. We pray justice will prevail. We don't know what will happen next. So, as you can see, guys. So we are just waiting. You can see the security. We are waiting. DSS, security, police. People are just there in trance to the court. We are waiting. You can see the security, DSS, in the court. So people are just waiting. Even the journalists, they didn't allow them, to come in. So we don't know the next thing. But all we know, they said Nnamdi Kanu is inside. But we don't know if whereby Nnamdi Kanu is inside and they didn't allow people to video. So I don't know. It's only maybe through the lawyer that we can really know what happened. Because I don't know whether I will say they don't need distraction or whatever, I don't know. But normally they're supposed to allow the journalists to come in, but they didn't allow. But let's watch and see if they will allow them. The GSS, the security, surround everywhere. Then the journalists, they're outside, they can just only do the one they know they could. But Nnamdi Kanu is still inside. Let's just see what will happen. The supporters are around, Let's see what will happen, guys. Let's continue to roll. We just hope that we're going to come out with something good. Let's continue to roll. Okay, guys, it's good to watch for yourself, She already said they cannot continue with Buhari. According to him, he said that Buhari is not fit. That they can't continue, That the contract, they have to, end the contract. He say it's like maybe you are looking for a job. They give you a contract. It's your decision to continue. And if you try the work and it's not working, it's just for you to say, no, I'm no longer. Then they have to take action. Either they do what? The action they should take is to do what? Is to end the contract. So Shuore is saying that they cannot continue, that they know that one day, everything will come to an end. One day, everything is going to come to an end. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section. What is your mind? What do you think? What is your view? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I still remain your girl, Chichi Nwachukwu in the building. In case if you are new in my channel, you are highly welcome. Thanks for coming. My name is Chichi Nwachukwu in the building. You are welcome. You are welcome. I love you all. My constant supporters, my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Wow, I'm short of words. I don't know how to say thank you, but all I can say thank you. Thanks for supporting me. Let's continue to grow. Let's continue to do what we love. Let's continue to grow together. Yeah, back to what I'm saying. Shuore is saying that they will continue to push. I just want to use this moment to say I appreciate, to welcome you all, and to say let's continue to roll. And don't forget, be strong in the Lord and never you give up. In any circumstances, be strong in the Lord and don't give up. Once there is life, there is hope. Okay, guys, let's roll. Go and take your coffee and come back. Let's continue to roll. Let's stay to Showore. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. I was following everything. You see, they didn't allow the journalists to come in. Everything was just like that, Okay, guys, this is where I end the video. I just want to say I love you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and let me know your comment in the comment section. Thanks for following me. Thanks for watching my playlist. Thanks for watching my video. I love you, guys. Go and be blessed, and let me know the comment in the comment section. What do you think about the whole saga that is going on? Don't forget, I'm talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu appeared in the court today, but nobody see him. We just hear that Nnamdi Kanu is in the court, but they didn't allow anybody to see him. We are waiting for the lawyer to come out and speak out. Let's wait for the part 2 of this video. For now, let's watch the part 1. What is going on? Love you. Bye-bye, guys. Bye for now.